This weekend was freezing cold and minimum temperatures dropped below 0 degrees over big parts of the country. We also had our first proper frost, but now the question is, will the conditions stay the same throughout this week? Let's have a look. Starting with your synoptic analysis, we can see it will be a cloudy and foggy start to your day over great parts of the country, with fog the morning here along the west coast and over the Western Cape. Also fog here over the eastern parts of the country. We do have a high pressure system east of the country, bringing an onshore flow of moist air to the eastern parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. This band of cloud will move eastwards throughout the day, but then we do have another cold front making landfall over the southwestern parts of the country on Thursday. As mentioned, that onshore flow of moist air will bring in morning drizzle here along the eastern escarpment and the lowveld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. But in the Western Cape, a cloudy and foggy start to your day in some places. Later partly cloudy and cool with temperatures around 20 degrees. 21 in the afternoon in Worcester and 18 in Cape Town. A northwesterly wind blowing along the coast but turning westernly along the Garden Route. 20 in the afternoon in George. Also cool in the Karoo with 23 in Graaff-Reinet and a northwesterly wind picking up here in the Karoo. In the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, we're expecting a freezing start to your day with 0 degrees in Aliwal Noord, only 2 in Kumani. Later partly cloudy to cloudy and cool with temperatures around 20 and a northeasterly wind blowing between Port St John's and East London. Fog patches the morning in KwaZulu-Natal, later mostly sunny to partly cloudy and cool. Temperatures in the lower 20s with 21 the afternoon in Ladysmith. And then also morning fog here over the western parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be mostly sunny here, but cloudy with light rain the morning here over the eastern escarpment of Mpumalanga. Going into the eastern escarpment of Limpopo, mostly sunny here in the Bushveld with 24 in Thabazimbi, but cloudy in the east with only 22 the afternoon in Messina. And then in the northwest province, we are expecting mostly sunny conditions here over the eastern parts, but cloudy and warm in the west with a northwesterly wind picking up by the afternoon, blowing fresh at times. A few fog patches the morning here along the west coast and mostly sunny conditions here in the west, but cloudy in the east and warm with temperatures reaching the upper 20s, 28 in Uppington, that northwesterly wind blowing fresh over the Northern Cape and the Free State. A freezing start to your day here in Bethlehem. Frost possible the morning with fog patches, and then that northwesterly wind also blowing fresh at times in Gauteng. Partly cloudy with 20 the afternoon in Pretoria and 18 in Johannesburg. And then on Wednesday, we are expecting a warmer and drier day with temperatures reaching the upper 20s, 30 the afternoon in Uppington. But then by Thursday, we do have this cold front reaching the country, bringing a sharp drop in temperatures to the western parts of South Africa, with snow possible in Sutherland, but heating up in the east with 28 the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.